We're just here. And Ryan is crying. And Rocco is asking to go out. Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new in our channel, please consider subscribing. And don't hit the notification bell. Why? Because you will disturbed by our notification. But if you want, you can press the notification bell. Anyway, we're going to the Louvre today. So it's actually Louvre here is a museum, and it's I think 2 years or 1 year ago, but the first time that we're going there. So we're excited, and I hope if you're not been there also, so it's best for you to watch our video.
Ronix TV is down. He is very sick.
Laga, 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 laga. Look! Where's it, Mommy?
We got all sick this time, as in all. No one left behind. I have cold and I think flu virus, something like that. So Rocco also, Nikki and Rania. So actually I don't have strength.
Rocco is very excited. And this little girl is refusing to sit on the car seat. Why? What's wrong? Since it's weekend, it's very hard to find a parking space. There's a lot of visitors as well.
So we're here, and time check, it's 3:45 in the afternoon, and my nose is red, so I'm like a red Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Today is Friday, and there's a lot of visitors also in this museum. There's a lot of tourists this time. So we're going inside now. Yeah, we're going there.
Look!
So if there's a baby, we can go this area. Thank you very much.
And you can find winter also inside.
Yes. Yeah. Rania, we're in the line right now, going for the ticket. Okay, got it. Yeah, we're going inside. Bye. It's bye-bye, Rania. So we're already inside. So this is our first look. So basically this section is for merchandise. Souvenir. Actually, I'm not a art guy, but sometimes I appreciate some of the work of art.
If you want a stroller, there's a complimentary here. You can avail free stroller.
But suitable for this baby.
But for this Rania, she wants to be held all the time. So what do you think, Rania? Do you like it?
She don't care.
So we have to go out because our Rocco, he wants to go to the bathroom. Ano ba to? We need to go down for the bathroom. Hold me. Hold me. He's very interested. He wants to go.
Interested in the museum.
He wants to go out. It's weekend today, so you see it's crowded. There's a lot of people here. Anya is so happy.
Small pyramid. So it's a little bit darker here. So this piece of cloth is like it's a mommy bandage. So you know, if the mommy is look like this lot of tissue. So this one they're using tissue.
Tissue ba yan?
Yeah, no, same like tissue. No, it's okay, maybe this one will wake up, okay? So, this is mommy. It's chicken Rocco. Smile. Sphinx mythology creature. Greek civilization.
Tapos of stress.
Rocco is so interested in all the things in museum. Because he want to go alright. He want to go out. Look.
Later we're going stations, okay? Or else we're going home. We're not going to eat outside. Like that? You'll eat outside? Okay, so be patient. Bribery ni. Orator. Do you like it?
Yes.
I'm so tired and I have no interest in the things here because I feel drowsy because of the medicine that I took. We're just here and Ryan is crying and Rocco is asking to go out and we're suffering from cold and flu and all people are enjoying. Move out. What do you think ito? What's animal? Tiger. This is a big plate for the chocolate. Before they are making chocolate and then they're keeping the chocolate there. Joke. Joke only. I'm joking only. No, I'm just joking. No, there's no chocolate. I'm just joking. I'm interested in museum.
Rocco, I'm holding Rania. I can't care. Oh, look at that.
So it's more darker. Rocco, don't shout.
The Torah.
Known as the this is the Torah, Book of Torah. Torah, the sacred text of the Jews and their written laws, the Bible and the sacred text of Christianity, and comprises story, biblical law. So it's a Hebrew Bible. It's found in Spain, 1250 and 1300. It's a sacred Buddhist text, Yuan Dynasty.
destination right now. Ano ba yan?
It's a big globe, ancient globe. What happened, Rocco? You like here? Are you sure? No, I want to go there also. Wait, but we need to suffer this, Rocco. We need to suffer these things. Okay, we need to check at least. What is this? Well, what is this? This is spirit mask. Yes. Oh, don't touch, Rocco. Utility rights. Indonesia, island of Borneo. Shamanic ritual mask. Alaska. Scary. So oh, don't touch the Rocco. See, there's a wall of string. See there? You cannot go straight. Huh? So, in the Rocco, follow the black dot, okay? Oh, there, you see that one? You follow the black dot, okay? Oops. Here. Come on. Now, we're safe. So this is the terrace. Rocco, don't shout. Rocco. Yeah, come on, let's check. Wow.
It's nice.
See, look.
Excuse me.
Wow, look.
Can this mean? Can we swim, Daddy?
No, of course not. You want to swim? Rocco want to swim. Oh, wait, there's taking pictures. I need to hold your hand, okay? Hold mama, ha? So we're inside the Children's Museum. Huh? Okay, so inside museum there's a Children's Museum also. You can run, play, do whatever they want.
Rocco. Here the kids can wear the costume. Ooh, chair. There are books that you can read, like this one. You want to stay here? You want to stay here? Okay. You have to be nice. Okay, you want to play? Okay, let's go. Daddy Lion. He wants to go out because he wants to
You feel drowsy still.
because of the medicine.
and cold.
You feel cold?
Not cold.
Okay. We're done with the tour. What can you say?
I think I will advise you, if you will go here, please don't come here with the cold and flu. And also don't bring two babies. And also don't drink medicine before you come here, before you go here. It's a bad combination if you do that.
What happened?
You see, the struggle is still not finished because Rocco is still crying. Hey, what do you want, Rocco? Yeah, carry again? Huh? Carry? Okay, wait, I'll carry you. Come. Yeah. Okay, the struggle is real. Yeah. I hope you're not stressed. And I hope it gives you information. And thank you for watching. And that's it. Hope you like it.
Bye.